She had it all: the house, the career, the comfort, the life she dreamed of, and in a blink, it was gone. Meet Emily. One morning, she woke up to everything crashing down. Her business failed. Her relationship ended. Her savings disappeared. She went from luxury to survival, from confidence to chaos. Her friends vanished. Her phone went silent, and for the first time she felt completely alone. But here's what pain does to the right kind of person. It doesn't destroy them. It awakens them. Emily sat in that empty apartment with tears in her eyes and said, "If I can lose everything, maybe that means I can rebuild anything." That moment, that mindset, changed her life forever. She started small: a laptop, a dream, a vision stronger than her fear. She worked nights when the world slept. She studied, learned, and rebuilt herself from zero. Every failure became fuel. Every no became a challenge. She wasn't chasing revenge. She was chasing rebirth. And slowly, everything she lost came back, multiplied. Her business took off. Her brand went global. She became a millionaire. But this time, not just in money, in mindset. Because this time, she built it with purpose, with patience, with pain turned into power. And when people asked her how she did it, she smiled and said, "I stopped seeing loss as the end and started seeing it as the beginning." Emily didn't rebuild what she lost. She built something greater, a fortune that no one could ever take away again, because it started within her. So if you've lost something, or everything, remember this: your story isn't over. Sometimes life has to strip you down to nothing, so you can discover what you're truly made of. She lost everything, but she gained herself, and that's where real fortune begins.